Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the phone application. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to use this method of factory reset, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the FFit application. Also, check if the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%. Because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now, let's continue with the reset. So, first thing you need to do is to make sure that the watch is turned on. Then open the FFit application on your phone. In the app, tap on the device icon. Now you should see the device page for your V31-020C. Scroll down through this page, find option called More Settings and tap on it. And here you should see the reset option. Tap on it, then tap on Determine to confirm. And your watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you factory reset this device through the phone app. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.